What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Wolfgang, also known as AirWolf, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Polar Pro's newest ND filter collection, the Quartzline. Now due to supply and demand, I only have the UV, ND4, ND16, and an ND8, and right out of the box what you get is the filter itself, a hard case which just fits right in here, like so. And they also give you a soft case, like a little pouch. I use the hard case because it's a lot more protected. And they also give you a microfiber cleaning cloth, which they include in all their cases. Now, the quality alone is amazing. Polar Pro has really stepped up their game when it comes to making these filters. I do have their original set, but just in comparing the original to the news, I'm just gonna open up the originals here. If you can see, this is the original, this is the Quartzline. Now, just holding them in your hand, you can just tell the quality is substantially better than this. The Quartzline is their professional line of ND filters. They do make them to fit, I believe, anywhere from a 37mm threading up to an 82mm threading. But since this is a drone channel, and I'll be flying the Inspire 2, I have the 46mm threading in hand right now. The other day, I went out to the field to test these filters out. And what I'm about to show you guys next is a side-by-side comparison. And just so you guys are aware, I did set the camera back to normal settings, and there's not gonna be any color correcting in the next few clips. It's just going to be simply putting the glass over the lens and hit record. So without further ado, cue the montage. That is it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what you see or if you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. It does help the channel all around, as you guys know. If you guys want to pick up these Quartzline filters, I'll leave a link in the description below to my Amazon store. And again, sorry I've been MIA. I've just been working lots, which is great. If you guys want to check out some of the featured videos that I have droned in the past, I did create a playlist just down below from various brands and artists that I have worked with. Go ahead and check those out. So until next time, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.